Good morning, children. Today, in this class, I am going to explain about the relationship between the sides of a triangle. In the previous class, we had discussed about the different types of triangles based on sides and angles. Okay. Now let us start how to find out the relationship between the sides of a triangle. Relationship between sides of a triangle. Okay. In this concept, there are two types of relations are there. That are, the first relation is sum of any two sides of a triangle. Okay. Now let us see. Let us draw the triangle ABC. Okay. Here A, B, C. Let us assume that this is the triangle ABC. Okay. Now write the sides of a triangle. Okay. Here A, B is the one side. B, C is one side. And AC or CA is one side. Okay. These are the three sides of a triangle. Okay. In this relation, sum of any two sides of a triangle. Okay. Okay. Now let us see the relationship of sum of two sides of a triangle. Okay. In this concept, suppose if we do addition of any two sides of a triangle, suppose if you add the values of AB and BC, suppose AB plus BC, suppose if you add the two lengths of two sides lengths, then we should always get the greater value than AC or CA. If you add any two sides lengths of a triangle, then we should get the bigger value than the third side. This is the relation of sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle. Okay. In this way, we have to check whether the given values whether we can draw the triangle or not. Okay. Now write the another operations also. Okay. Here we are adding AB and BC only. Okay, now BC and AC. Suppose if you add BC and AC, then we should get greater value than AB. The remaining is AB. Okay. Now we have completed two operations. Another operation is AB, AC. If you add AB and AC, then we should get the greater value than BC. AB plus AC, it should be greater than BC. These are the three types of operations when we add the any two sides lengths of a triangle, then we should get the greater value than the third side. Okay, this is the condition. This is the condition to check the given values or to check the given lengths of a triangle. We can to check given lengths, whether the given lengths can form the triangle or not. Okay. Now let us see the one more relation. The second one is difference of lengths of any two sides of triangle. Okay. Now let us see. Suppose let us assume that this is the triangle XYZ. X, Y, Z. Okay. Now let us see the difference. Difference means nothing but subtraction. Okay. The difference of lengths of any two sides. Okay. Here write the all the three sides. X, Y is the one side and YZ is the one side and XZ is the third side. These are the three sides of a triangle. Okay, now let us see the difference of lengths of any two sides. Okay, two sides means XY and YZ. Okay, now let us see the difference of XY minus YZ. If you do that subtraction between any two lengths of a triangle, then we should always get the lesser value than the third side. What is the remaining side here? Okay, here the difference between XY and YZ, the value of difference is always lesser than the third value. Okay, third side. Okay, this value should be always lesser than the third side. Okay, now let us see the more operations. Okay, if you do the subtraction between YZ and XZ, we should get the lesser value than XY. YZ minus XZ. Then we should get the lesser value than XY. Okay, after that, if you do the subtraction between X, Y and XZ, then we should get the lesser value than YZ. XY minus XZ. We should get the lesser value than YZ. Okay. This is the relationship between the difference of a length of a sides, any two sides of a triangle. Okay. In this way, we can check whether the given values can form the triangle or not. Okay. Now let us see the example 1 on page number 92. Okay. Page number 92, example 1. Can a triangle have sides with lengths (6 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. Okay. Now let us see how to solve this. Can a triangle have sides with lengths 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 8 centimeters? Okay. Now let us assume that the sides of a triangle. Before entering into solving, we should always assume the sides of a triangle. Okay. Let us assume that the sides of a triangle okay, here the first side is, let us, these are all only assumption values. Okay, AB equals to 6 centimeters and BC equals to 5 centimeters and AC equals to 8 centimeters. Okay, just we had explained about the relationship between the sides of a triangle. Okay, just we have explained two relations that are sum of any two sides of a triangle and difference of any two sides of a triangle. Okay, now let us check one operation for the one relation for the sides of a triangle. Okay, now let us see the sum of any two sides. Any two sides. Okay, first AB plus BC. Okay, now let us see what should we get. AB plus BC. AB plus BC equal to AB means 6, BC means plus 5. Okay, what is the AC value? Here the base AC value is generally this is the condition. Okay, AB plus BC is greater than AC. Okay, now let us see the relation. AB value 6, 6 plus 5 is greater than 8 centimeters. Okay, AC value 8. Okay, now let us see, is it possible or not? 6 plus 5, 11. 11 is greater than 8. Okay, it is possible. Okay, it is possible. 11 is greater than 8. It is possible to draw the triangle. Okay, and one more operation. Okay, now let us see the BC plus AC. Suppose if you do BC plus AC, then we should get the greater value than AB. Okay, now let us check. BC value is 5 centimeters plus and AC value is 8 centimeters. Is it greater than 6 centimeters? 5 plus 8, 13. 13 is greater than 6 centimeters. Okay, then we should say 5 plus 8, 13. 13 is greater than 6. 13 is greater than 6. Okay, now let us see the third operation. Third one is, okay, now do the AC plus AB. AC plus AB is greater than BC. AC value is 8 centimeters plus AB is 6 centimeters. Is it greater than 5 centimeters? Let us see, 8 plus 6, 14. 14 is greater than 5. Okay. Once again, given values are 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 8 centimeters. Okay, they are asking, can a triangle have sides with lengths 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 8 centimeters? Okay, now we have to check whether the given values are suitable to form a triangle or not. Okay, for that purpose, we should check the relationship of a sides of a triangle. Okay, any one relationship we should satisfy, whether the sum or difference. Okay, now let us assume that the sides of a triangle. Okay, suppose if these values forms a triangle, then the sides of a triangle, this is our assumption, AB equals to 6 centimeters, BC equal to 5 centimeters and AC equals to 8 centimeters. Okay, now let us see the one relationship for the given values. Okay, sum of any two sides of a triangle. Okay, in this we should always get, when we add any two lengths of sides of a triangle, we should get the greater value than the third side. Okay, that is why if you see the all conditions, if you substitute the values and if you check the condition, all of the true conditions, all of the correct conditions. That is why, since we can draw we can form the triangle with 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 8 centimeters. Okay, write the conclusion. Since we can draw the triangle with the given lengths 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 8 centimeters. Okay, in this way we have to do the problems. Okay, Now let us see the problems in exercise 1. Exercise 1. First one is it possible to have triangle with the following sides? Okay. In this, the first question is 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 5 centimeters. 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 5 centimeters. Okay. We should check the condition whether with the help of these sides can we form a triangle or not. Okay. Now let us see. First of all, we should take the sides of a triangle. Let the sides of a triangle AB equal to 3 centimeters, BC equal to 4 centimeters, then AC equals to or CA equals to 5 centimeters. In this way, we have to assume the sides of a triangle. Okay, now let us check the sum of any two sides of a triangle. Any two sides. Okay. Suppose AB, BC, CA are the sides of a triangle, then AB plus BC is always should greater than the CA. Okay. Check whether the given condition is correct or not. AB value 3 centimeters. Now let us substitute the AB value 3. BC value 4. Is it greater than 5 or not? CA value 5. Okay, 3 plus 4 7. 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. Okay, it is possible. One operation is possible. Okay, now let us see one more operation, that is BC plus CA is greater than AB or not. Okay, now let us check. BC value 4 centimeters. BC 4 centimeters and CA 5 centimeters. AB value 3 centimeters. Okay, 4 plus 5 9. 9 is greater than 3. Okay, now let us see the third operation. The third one is AC plus CA plus AB is greater than BC. Okay, what is the CA value? 5 centimeters and AB value 3 centimeters. Now let us substitute the 5 plus 3. Is it greater than 8? Is it greater than 4? Yes, 4. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 is greater than 4. Okay, here all the 3 conditions are satisfied with the given values. Okay, since here we have to write the conclusion, therefore we can make triangle with the given values. With the given values. Okay, this is the conclusion we should write. Okay, in this way we have to do the problems. Okay, there are 3 more problems in the exercise. Okay, that is those problems you have to do, children. Okay, there are 3 more problems that are one problem 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and third problem is 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. In fourth problem 3, 5, and 7 centimeters. Okay, these problems you should only do, and tomorrow I'll explain. If you have any doubts, tomorrow I'll explain. Thank you, children.